Hello, today I'm in Mitsubishi Pajero. In this video I'll show you how to manage the second gearbox. Take a look at the gearbox. First let's select, for example, the first gear, and now we've got this 4 low, 4 high mode and 2 high mode. We are going to use them in different types of the road and conditions that will be described in the movie description. So firstly, to change this gearbox position, you have to press clutch and now push it upwards. I was currently in the 4H, so to push it to 4L, you have to push it right and now upwards. To select 2H, push it downwards. And that's basically it. As I said, the description for this mode will be in the video description. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.